students, good morning. I'm your English teacher, Miss Masma Jamal. This is your English book, English Second, Everyday English Grammar and Composition. The writer name is Vandana Sood and publisher name is Vinod Vasist. Publisher name Vinod Vasist. Student, let's start first chapter. The first chapter is letters and words. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. We use these letters to write all words. A. Look the pictures. Write the missing letters to complete the words. Number 1. P-E-N pen. Number 2. B-E-D bed. Number 3. B-A-T bat. Number 4. M-U-G mug. Number 5. P-I-N pin. Number 6. C-A-T cat. B. Rewrite the letters correctly to name the pictures. Number 1. N-E-T net. Number 2. J-A-M jam. Number 3. B-A-G bag. Number 4. T-U-B tub. Number 5. Z-I-P zip. Number 6. H-A-T hat. Number 7. H-U-T heart. Number 8. D-O-G dog. So student, fill the book page number 1.